In this video, we will show you how to send calendar invite using Outlook. To send calendar invite, it's very easy. First, you need to open the Outlook. You can open Outlook on desktop or Outlook on the web version. Okay. After you open the Microsoft Outlook, you can just click this calendar. Okay. After you clicking the calendar, for example, you need to select the event or the date that you want to invite the people. For example, in the 16 here, then we can click here, and in here we can just click more options, and we can add a title. For example, the post launch website, like this, for example. And if this is the team meetings, you can just click here. Okay. If you want to add another meeting like Zoom or another, you can just invite via the text here. Okay. For example, in here, post launch website, then you need to input the people that you want to invite. For example, I choose these people. Okay. And you can also add another address, not just once. And you can adjust the time. For example, for the time, you can adjust until 9, for example. And you can also make recurring. Okay. You can also add location. For example, New York. Okay. For example, like this. And then you can fill the description about this event. Hi, we will launch the website. Okay, like this, for example. This is just dummy. Okay, you can change suitable with you. And after that, you can also set the reminders before the event is ongoing. Okay, you can just select 15 minutes before, or 1 week before, or maybe this is the best for you. Okay, you can just add this for the reminder. And you can also set the category. Okay, you can also create new category here, and after all is done, you can just click send. Okay, after you click send, you will have the event here. Okay, event created. Okay, it is successfully. And when you open on the address that you just invite, okay, it will look like this. Okay, you can see here. This is the post launch website. Okay, because just now we add a meeting, you can see there is a link. Click here to join a meeting. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to send calendar invite using Microsoft Outlook. Okay, if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.